Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vegetable drawer in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new vegetable drawer. This vegetable drawer is at the bottom and can be used for storage of the vegetables and fruits. The main reason for the vegetable drawer to be replaced is if it cracks and breaks, making it impossible to slide it in and out. In order to get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the bottom vegetable drawer, all we need to do is slide it out and remove. This is the old vegetable drawer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the vegetable drawer, you're going to slide it on the rails and push it in. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.